back here on Courtney's Eldorado. Courtney did some footwork, talked to his vendor, talked to Champion. They sent us a CC161, which is a 3-row instead of a 4-row. You can see that it's a bit narrower, which is going to be just nice for what we're going to do. So we'll get this baby out, get some beans. I do have the adapters for the transcooler lines as well. I'll show you that. And then we'll pop this baby in. All right, so the 160 dropped right in because it's the right width. So we're going to carry on here. I'm going to hook up all of our lines and fittings first. And then I'm going to put our shroud and all that back together. Ooh, a list. Gonna do a little list. Easy peasy. All right. I like when Courtney leaves a list. It's good. All right, so putting her together. All right, radiator's in. Trans lines are in. Courtney's gonna light her off. Don't constantly pump it. They don't need to do that. Especially when it's dry. It's a no-no. Like, I crank them 10-15 seconds to prime the fuel bowl. Then you give it 3 pumps.
Okay.
Especially if it's been sitting, like, how long has it been sitting? A couple weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Much better. Oh, yeah, that sucked it right down. Yeah. So let me add some coolant. Off and running. Water circulating.